Welcome back to the channel, good friends. Brian from Apex Detail. About a month ago, we applied these 9 plastic trim, sealants, protectants, restoration products to a thermoplastic mat, and today we're going to see how they are holding up. The plastic mat is exposed to Mother Nature, direct sunlight, and it's right next to where a fleet of trucks comes in and out of the driveway, and it's really exposed to just about everything you can think of. Today we're going to wash off the mat, we're going to foam it, we're going to wash it, we're going to dry it, and we'll take a look and see which one looks the best, is holding up the best, and is repelling water and Mother Nature the best. There are a few that are fading. There are a few that still really look good. And I'm going to go over each section, which one is which, and we'll go over each section in detail. First things first, let's rinse off any loose dirt or grit that we can. Then we'll foam the mat. Then we'll wash it with a shampoo, and we'll kind of simulate what you would do in a car wash every week or so. And that, combined with being outside in Mother Nature, will put it through a natural test. All right, let's take a look at each one individually and see how they could maybe fight off what Mother Nature could dish up to them. And this here is the Cerakote trim coat. This one here is hydrophobic, doing very well. This one here is Lone Star trim coat. Some of these will sheet, some of these will bead, some of these don't have protection within them. We're going to go over all that at the end of the video, what each one would be preferably used for in different situations. So this one here is the Renew Protect Black. Then we have Black Pearl right here. And then we have C4 Gtechniq. That one is also hydrophobic. Right here in the middle we have Wolfgang Exterior Trim Sealant. This is Lithium's trim serum. And finally, Artdeshine plastic / leather coat. We'll dry it off the best we can with a leaf blower, let it sit out in the sun, and then we'll come in and take a closer look. After being completely dried, we definitely have a few that really stand out when it comes to keeping that plastic mat looking dark and rich and new. All right, so again, we have Solution Finish, we have Lone Star Trim Coat, we have Cerakote Trim Coat, we have Gtechniq C4, we have Black Pearl, we have Renew Protect Black, we have Artdeshine, we have Wolfgang, and Lithium Trim Serum. In person in front of these, Cerakote is holding up well, C4, Gtechniq, also Black Pearl, Renew Protect, and Lone Star is looking really, really good. Solution Finish is looking decent as well. Down in the comment section, let me know which one you think is holding up the best, which one looks the best, and which one is fighting whatever Mother Nature is dishing up to it the best. Okay, good friends, so that's after 1 month. Let me know what you're seeing. Let me kind of go over each of these products. I've used them all, and I'll let you know my experience with them and what I think. There are two here, the C4 from Gtechniq and Cerakote, that I heavily lean on. It does the conditioning, the protecting, and it's something I can apply to a car, and I don't have to worry about it. And I know the protection is going to be there for quite some time. I know some are having problems with the Cerakote. I've not had the problem, and I can't help you unless I have the problem and I know how to remedy it. So just the best tip that I can give you is take your time when it comes to the prep work. When it comes to products that will restore the plastic, the Pearl, Solution Finish, Restore Protect, and Lone Star will be the ones I go with. But there is one here with the Solution Finish that I really have trust in. Over the years I have used it. It really restores the plastic down on a cellular level, and I just have a lot of trust in it. The others work perfectly fine. When it comes to the trim serum here from Lithium, that is just a quick stopgap. If you're getting rid of a car, you just want something to quickly condition the plastic. It will not last very long, but it does look incredible the first couple days after you apply it. Then when it comes to Wolfgang, is almost the jack of all trades, master of none. It does condition and protect and all of that. It just doesn't last very long or outshine a lot of the products, but it gets the job done. And when it comes to the Artdeshine here, this product was made for the interior plastics, but I did a plastic piece on a vehicle that it was on the sill. It started inside, and then it came down outside to the running boards, and I just was surprised and impressed how it protected the portion of the plastic that hung outside the vehicle and was weathered. So I thought I would include it, but it's really not made for the exterior plastic. It's made for interior. So just something I wanted to throw in just for a little bit of fun. If you have any questions on any of the products or have anything to add, don't hesitate. Brian from Apex Detail. I'll catch you in the next video.